I'm sitting there drinking some 7-Up too. Hey Mom, what are you doing there?
I'm making some delicious meatballs, honey.
Really?
Yes.
With
some barbecue sauce, Young G's.
Oh, good job, Mother.
What you want to know what could use in this? Your Young G barbecue sauce.
Oh boy, God,
the best
man,
out there, baby. You know I got this.
Oh well, thank you, Mother. I love the fact that you supporting me and
I'm good to baby. You're my baby.
Oh boy, I tell you, we got some good meatballs coming. I can't
God.
wait.
It's gonna be the best.
Oh.
Talking about Willis.
Oh, good job. Coming up.
We're gonna still use Young G barbecue sauce.
Oh, baby, I just
no matter what.
Oh, good
This
job.
is Young G barbecue sauce.
Oh boy,
This is Young G barbecue sauce kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, can you high five?
Oh, I can't high five you right now, Mama.
Nope.
Oh, nope. Good job. Hey, well, this is great, Mother. I really
It is
enjoy.
Awesome.
Oh man, you're using Young G's.
You're
making it. Oh, thank you so much.
You are
I
amazing.
have made this product for everybody around the world.
Yes,
domestic
anybody can eat it.
and international. That we
Gluten-free.
Oh boy, Mama, you remember that part, huh?
Yeah, because I can't eat no gluten.
Oh boy, what about low in sodium?
Oh, amazing.
Oh my God,
Tell
we
me
don't,
about
we
it.
can't get high
talking
blood
about
pressure.
Willis?
Oh mother! Hey, guess what, Mom? There's no high fructose corn syrup in it.
Shut up.
No, it won't burn. Hey,
They're gonna love it.
oh, mother, it has a distinct
gonna
taste to
love
it.
it.
I tell you, I got a surprise for them too out there.
What's that, baby?
Is tamarind added to it?
What?
Tamarind is good for the immune system. Oh my
Already
goodness.
know.
Oh, God help today.
Well,
That's-
hey, these meatballs gonna be thebum.com
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I made them with Young G.
You go, girl. Well, Mother, thank you very much. You cooked some great meatballs for me with your...
That's what I do best, honey.
Oh,
I
Lord.
love to cook.
Well, can I taste it, Mama?
Of course, you
Oh,
some
yes, ma'am.
Young
Put
G.
some Young G's on there for me.
Wow.
Oh, boy, look at that. Oh, boy, that's
Ooh.
amazing.
Let's put some of the meatballs
Oh, boy,
too.
look
Wow.
at this. Look at this, Young G.
Yep.
Mm.
Oh, look at that. Is it good?
Oh,
Let me
Mother,
taste that.
this is amazing. My goodness.
Oh my.
Young Jesus is just all over the place.
You're
You
just
guys.
dripping
Oh,
places,
look
dripping.
at here. Y'all, come on out there and get some of this.
You might
Young.
as well. This is some good stuff.
Mama made a wonderful dish. I mean, this is amazing. Thank you guys. Hey, Young G's, Walmart.com. We got a surprise for you too out there for all our military men and women.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Mother. You are amazing.
Amazing.
Oh.
Baby, you're so sweet.
We out.
Good.
Need some more.